Aryaka's latest survey explores network security challenges in manufacturing, revealing key issues like resource gaps, visibility, resilience, and cost control. Over 64% of the responders prioritized real time network observability, while 54% stressed the need for secure global connectivity. Manufacturers increasingly value convergence solutions like Aryaka's unified SASE to streamline operations, enhance security, and address these evolving demands. Tom, you're very familiar with enterprise networking and Aryaka. What was your reaction to this survey?
Honestly, it kind of tracks with some of the things that I'm seeing in the market where the majority of what I would consider to be traditional enterprises are kind of they're a solved problem, right? Like we have connectivity for them. We have all these analytics, this rich data that we can use to do all kinds of things, right? Where's the growth area? Well, as a friend of mine in the industry coined the term here recently, it's the uncarpeted enterprise. It's the areas of your organization that are critical to the operations of your business, but are maybe not as clean. That would be like manufacturing floors. That would be remote offices where things get done. It could be an oil rig. It could be a factory floor. Whatever the case is, you still need to have connectivity for that. You're still missing data points there. So you need to be able to connect to those areas. And I don't know, pull machine uptimes, pull maintenance logs, pull all kinds of things that keep your business running, right? Well, how do you do that in a way that ensures that you can keep an eye on your capacity and ensure that nobody else can do it? You've got to have some kind of a platform for that. Let me tell you a little secret though. Those big machines, they're not really designed to kind of just be upgraded like that. It's not like pulling a Jet Direct card out of a printer and putting a new one in to give it more functionality. And even that is a strained analogy at best. These things are entire systems that are built and manufactured in a certain way, and they don't play well with parts being bolted onto them. So by using a platform like Aryaka's unified SASE, you can essentially drop an endpoint right on top of that device and say, just we're going to plug this into an SD-WAN router, and now I have connectivity down to device. But more importantly, what I have is an overlay network that ensures that I can pull data from all of those devices and put it into my system to make sure that they're online, running at full capacity, and not being attacked, because that's another thing that we're starting to see, and we'll have a story about this later. A lot of attackers are not just looking to steal data anymore. They're looking to take down organizations. They're looking to knock production offline, because those kinds of hiccups have far reaching, what happens when people have to spend months getting things back up is it not only costs you money because you lost your data, but now you've literally wasted thousands of hours trying to get back online. So I think that this secure connectivity cannot be understated enough. This is gone are the days of having like open RDP servers on the internet and having management ports for these devices kind of open and freely available even inside of your LAN is a big risk that I think a lot of companies aren't willing to take, because these machines, their downtime is measured in thousands of dollars per hour, and they know exactly what it will cost if that's down. So I think that you'll see very quickly that solutions like Aryaka Unified SaaS are going to be deployed more widely to these organizations in order to be able to give them the data that they want and they expect to get from all the other devices in their carpeted enterprise.